What's going on, you guys? Ralph Bernard, the cool boy here. And Kelly Ramirez here. Right there. And today is Thursday. And today is Blizzard. Yep. It's like 6 to 10 inches of snow. Can you believe that? Oh yeah, it's like the biggest blizzard I ever saw when I saw outside the window. Yeah, me too. I can tell there's a huge blizzard out, so it's better we stay warm and stay safe and not go outside, because this is not a good weather today. It's like the biggest blizzard I ever saw. Yeah, and so now what are we gonna do? I don't know. I think well, how about this? Why don't we like play cards together, or like let's play how about an Xbox game? Can we do that? Oh sure, we can do that, sweetie. I love Xbox. Oh yeah, because I'm really good at it, and I'll teach you how to do it. Yeah, why don't you? Okay, well, anyway, tomorrow morning, we are going to shovel the deepest snow ever from all the blizzards. Yeah. Wow, we got a lot of work to do tomorrow. Oh yeah, we certainly do. Yep. Ah. This is like blizzard all day and all night. Yep. Oh. You know, I don't really want you to catch a cold. Oh, I don't want you to, sweetie, because it's not good to get cold in this kind of weather when it's like blizzard out. Yeah, it's not good. Not cool, man. Not cool. Well, why don't we play Xbox game? Yeah, sure, sweetie. I'll teach you how to do it. Well, anyway, we're just gonna like play the Xbox game and, you know, not go outside because of the biggest blizzard we've ever saw. So anyway, so that's gonna be for today, you guys. So it's like it's just a short blog that we are going to do, and because we're like very busy right now, so we're gonna start to play Xbox game, and I gotta show Kelly how to play the Xbox game and how to learn it, and this way she could get used to it. Yeah, because I love playing games, Xbox game, and especially PlayStation and Nintendos and all that. Yep. And so, don't worry, we'll see you tomorrow on another video, so don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, favorite, and that's it. And don't forget to subscribe Ralph Bernard, the cool boy, and Kelly Ramirez on YouTube. Alright, so take care now. So we're going to enjoy the rest of the night. So, peace out.